Hey everyone, welcome to English Express. I'm Emily. Today we're going to practice lots of useful phrases for ordering coffee. Going to a cafe is something we do so often, and knowing the right English makes everything much easier and more relaxing. So let's go through many different situations you might face at a coffee shop. Listen carefully and you'll hear the useful phrases again and again. When you walk into the cafe, you can start with a friendly greeting like, "Hi, how are you today?" or simply, "Hello." The barista will usually smile and say, "What can I get for you today?" If you're not sure what to order, you can ask, "What do you recommend?" or "What's popular here?" or "Do you have any special drinks today?" The barista might reply, "Our caramel latte is really popular." Then you can say, "That sounds good. I'll try it." When you're ready to order, you can say clearly, "I'd like a cappuccino, please. Can I have a latte, please?" Or, "I want an Americano, please." You can also mention the size. "One medium latte, please." Or, "A large iced coffee, please." If you have special requests, it's good to know how to say them politely. You can say, "Can I have a soy latte, please?" "I'd like an oat milk cappuccino, please. No sugar, please. Extra hot, please. Less ice, please." Or "with whipped cream, please." You can also combine them naturally. "I'd like a large vanilla latte with oat milk, extra hot, and no sugar, please." Sometimes you want something to eat as well. In that case, you can add, "Can I have a croissant, please? I'd like a blueberry muffin too, please." Or, "Could I get a sandwich with that?" If you want to check the price first, simply ask, "How much is a caramel latte? How much does it cost?" Or, "What's the price of the iced mocha?" When it's time to pay, you can say, "Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash?" Or, "Can I pay with Apple Pay?" After paying, you can reply with a smile, "Thank you," or "Thanks a lot." While you're waiting for your drink, you can make a little small talk if you like. "It smells really good in here." Or, "How busy is it today?" When your order is ready, you can go to the counter and say, "Is this my order?" And then, "Thank you very much." Now, if something is not right with your order, you can politely explain, "Excuse me, I asked for no sugar, but there is sugar. Sorry, I ordered oat milk, not regular milk." Or, "Could I have a new one, please?" The staff will usually say, "Of course, sorry about that. I'll make it again right away." Let me repeat some of the most useful phrases so they stay in your mind. "I'd like a latte, please. Can I have a large cappuccino with oat milk, please? Extra hot, please. No sugar, please. How much is that? Can I pay by card? Thank you very much." You can use these same phrases in any coffee shop you visit. The more you practice them, the more natural and confident you will sound. That's all for today. Keep practicing these coffee ordering phrases and you'll feel much more comfortable next time you go to a cafe. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and have a wonderful day.